Hey guys, it's Rayquaza TCG here, and as you can see I have a sealed Neo 4 box that, after staring at it for a few nights, I decided I'm just going to bust it open. So I'm just going to open the packs until I pull a Shining, so all the other packs are going to go on my eBay page, so keep an eye out for it. So here we go. Where should I open this? Trying not to ruin it. Like everyone, I'm hoping for that shiny Charizard, but of course I'm not going to get it. Any shiny would be nice in mint condition for that PSA. Here we go. I wish Japanese packs or Japanese boxes still had 60 packs like they did back then. It'd be a lot nicer. So here's the awesome pack art of the Trantar. Awesome. So here we go. First pack. In front, so put them in the back there. And I have no idea what a lot of these are, so just bear with me. Some type of helmet. A Jigglypuff. Executor. Some type of ladybug, Ladian or something. Totodile. Golduck. Venonat, Seal, Fanfi, I think, and a Hollow Azumarill. It's awesome. And I'll sleeve all that later, so don't get your panties in a knot. Second pack. The Hollow in the back. I don't remember. I think it's the Lantern or something. Close enough. Houndour. The Energy Stadium. Psyduck. Growlithe. Cool looking. What is this called? Ferrothorn and I don't know. I forgot. Reverade. Sunflora. Dugong. Oh, an awesome Espeon Hollow. That's really cool. Look good. The centering looks like there's like a little indent right there, though. That sucks. Oh well. Okay, next pack. Oh my god! Ah. I got it, but it's way off centered. And there's a little nick up top. But still, that's awesome. It looks like it might get an 8. But still, that's really cool. And like the third pack, like I saw these other packs. There we go, shiny Charizard. It's awesome. Might even get an off-center grade, I don't know. So there we go, Mantine. Venomoth. Whatever Larvitar. I guess Bills something. Unknown Q. Drafrig. Gliscor. Wigglytuff and Caterpie. Oh, this cool looking Gengar Hollow. It's awesome. So that was a really cool pack. I opened a couple more because it's so short. The pack is like, the shell is like stuck to the card. That's weird. Okay. Oh, forgot to put the holo on, whatever. Dang, all the cool hollows. Crobat here. Trainer. Another potion trainer. Another trainer. 2 trainers, 1 pack. Execute. Mantine. Omastar. Ghastly. Remoraid. And a Vaporeon. That's awesome. Okay, well, I have a bunch of packs left, so these are all going for sale. So look for them on my eBay page, okay? Well, see you guys.